tile can be difficult. That's because it's usually impossible to take off the tile without taking off what it's been applied to. If the tile has been glued to drywall, it's best to take everything off and then install new drywall. Or if you're tiling around a tub, new concrete backer board. With backer board, it's important to make the surface of the studs as flat as possible. Backer board will not straighten out curved framing. The easiest way to do this is to staple a couple of strips of roofing felt to any studs that are recessed.
Where you can, run the backer board horizontally across the studs. Many tubs are 5 feet long, so the 5-foot dimension of the backer board should fit almost perfectly. Leave about a 1/4 inch gap between the backer board and the edge of the tub. Nail the backer board every 6 inches along the studs, again using 1.5 inch galvanized roofing nails or special galvanized backer board screws. To get the right spacing between the horizontal sheets, you can temporarily hammer some nails into a couple of studs along the top edge of the lower sheet. Since openings for the spouts, valves, and handles will be covered by the tile itself and by some sort of plumbing trim piece, it's okay for the holes in the backer board to be pretty rough. Sometimes you can just create small holes with a hammer.
Mudding and taping the joints is done the same way as it is for the floor, although working along the inside corner requires a little more skill with a taping knife. One last thing about backer board. There are 2 different sides to it. The rougher side goes up when you put it down on the floor. But on the walls, you want the smoother side out when you're using wall tile and wall tile adhesive.
A concrete backer board is a great underlayment for floors, tub surrounds, and as you'll soon see, countertops. But if you're installing tile on walls where moisture isn't an issue, you can install tile on drywall without a problem, just so long as it's smooth, even, and has a solid structure behind it.
There is a special type of moisture-resistant drywall that's sometimes called green board. But we feel that if you've got a moisture situation, it's just smarter to use backer board. Besides, green board can't be used on exterior walls under tile.